Pine Sol. You typically think of using this on your floors or maybe in your toilets, but today I have 7 genius ways to use this. And yes, I did get this from the $1.25 store along with this super cool facial brush, but of course we're not going to be using it for our face today. Use 1/4 cup per gallon of water, but for tough jobs, use full strength. By the way, this lemon fresh smells way better than the regular Pine Sol. Oh, it smells so good. Take a smell, yes. And this little trick here is one that plumbers do not want you to know. If you've ever had a funny smell in your bathroom and it is not your toilet or your garbage can, this is probably the culprit. This little hole right here, yes, it's the overflow area. However, if water gets trapped down in there, it sits in there and gets real stanky. So get yourself some Pine Sol, good spray in there, and let it do its magic. And my friend, after a couple days, I guarantee that smell will be gone. Why do I know that? Because it happened to me. Can't leave this sink out either. Shower doors and shower curtains. I also like to use it here in my bathroom. Get my little facial brush out and get in all those nooks and crannies. By the way, these are the best hooks, renter friendly, found on Amazon. I will link in the description box below. These stick so nicely, especially with all the moisture going on here. Here's a little bonus tip. I'm just gonna spray my facial brush, and then what I like to do is look at these light switches. I don't want to take these all off the wall. It's so annoying, but this brush gets in here so nicely and sanitizes everything up. This is my boys' room. This one's real dirty, and a bonus, it smells lemony fresh. Look at all up in there. This is my bathroom door. Can you see the dirt and grime right there? This also works great on an entryway door, a garage door, a front door. How about your washing machine? Look at how nasty that is. Spray a little and scrub just a little. Look at that come up so easily. Bonus tip, did you know that you could use Pine Sol on stains on your clothes? Yes, you can. How about inside your washing machine, especially that flap? You see that right there? No bueno. Oh my word, you see all this in my dryer? Not anymore. I especially love this for tires, getting it all shiny. How about in your microwave? And since this is a lemon fresh scent, it smells so wonderful. How about a humidifier? Those are very common, especially in the winter months, but garbage disposals. And I especially love this tool because you can get underneath that nasty flap. Let me just show you what I mean. Look at that. I don't know about you, but that kind of makes me want to throw up. And just a little more for good measure. I'm gonna let that one sit. If you're looking for additional genius Pine Sol tips and tricks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.